Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows build and Intel driver versions matter. Older drivers break settings integration. Once done, close Intel Graphics Command Center, then reboot to clear hung processes. Next, run the app as administrator so it has permission to open system settings links. Also, inspect services. Make sure graphics telemetry or Intel-related services are not disabled, because they handle system setting hooks. These first actions fix most permission and linkage problems quickly, so proceed before deeper troubleshooting. You now perform deeper fixes. Update to the latest Intel DCH driver or perform a clean install via Device Manager, because driver mismatch often stops the app opening system settings. Once updated, reset the Intel Graphics Command Center app data in Windows settings to clear corrupted caches. If problems persist, carefully inspect registry handlers for Intel components and COM activation settings, because broken URL or protocol handlers can block the settings redirection. Make sure to back up the registry before edits. This prevents accidental system damage. You finish by reinstalling the Intel Graphics Command Center from the Microsoft Store if corruption persists, since AppX reinstall often restores proper system setting behavior. Then, create a fresh Windows user profile to determine if the issue is profile-specific. This isolates permissions and registry differences. Finally, check Event Viewer for application and system logs to spot denied permissions, AppX errors, or COM activation failures. These logs tell you why the settings link fails. If you hit a specific error code, note it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.